Now let's take a look at applying a label onto a model within KeyShot. So here within KeyShot I have my geometry, and this is mimicking a honey color, and onto this I wish to add a logo or a label. So we're going to go click on our model. This is going to show us the material. Just having a look here in the materials graph what's going on. It's a glass solid, and we've got this assignment for our surface material. Now we're going to add this as a texture. I have here a texture with a logo. This is a B logo. I'm just going to drag that onto the part, and we're going to bring that in as a label. And now here we can go off and rescale the texture and reposition it where we want it. So we can resize it and we can reposition it. Now you may notice that you've got here the label going on both sides. It's coming through. Now the way to eliminate this, you can see it's on both sides, is in the settings for the label. We've got here two-sided, so we unclick two-sided, and the other thing to do is to adjust the depth. So you can see it's still there because the depth is effectively set for infinite. So if I say put a depth of being 4 millimeters, we should see that now being updated and only appearing on the top surface, because we'll see here the plane that this is projected from is not 4 millimeters away from that surface. And anyway, GrabCAD will only print the texture surface, not the depth going into the model. So that's how to apply a label.